I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, Casamigos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Flags are up, going all the way around the track. Let's get a countdown. From 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Bus Derby! School buses. I don't know which one Miss Frizzle's in, but I know Arnold doesn't want to go on this field trip. car 1949. Red flag, buses, red flag, red flag, red flag. Red flag, buses, red flag. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hit by the JFO in the 1706. Pushing the 1949 all the way on the other side of the track after pushing them up with the blocks. Let's get loud if you want to hear these buses hit even harder than they already are. Big hit in the south side of the ring between the 1949. We got a few of the buses under the count, but I still see 4 buses in motion. Big hit for the JFO. He's trying to find a target. It looks like he's finding the swap bus. Gets himself off the count, but the swap bus is still under the count. The JFO and the SWAT truck battling on the north side, the 317, 318, and the 03 battling the south side. That SWAT school bus is getting even shorter every head. He doesn't have much steering left. But he's still laying down big hits. We got all 5 buses in the south corner of the ring. Trying to play it who's going to be the first ever Impact Motorsports Short Bus Derby champion. Get on hook on the other side of the ring. The other 2 are trying to get going again. 317 bus are just going round and round as he's trying to find some traction. We still have 4 buses in motion. We have the 317, the SWAT bus, and the 03. And the JFO is trying to find someone that he can lay a shot down to. He makes the shot, gets back off the count, and parks it in the door of the 317. He must have found the bus with the right route number on the top. We're down to 3 buses. We're down to the 03, the JFO, and the SWAT bus. We might be down to the 03 and the SWAT bus, the 01 The wheel on the bus of the JFO is going round and round, but the tire is not. We got the 03 and the 0103 trying to pick each other's shot. The SWAT bus doesn't have a lot of steering left. The rookie's trying to pick his shot. We're down to 2 buses, Lindsay. 2 buses. These buses were never meant for this kind of duty, but they're putting them to it anyway. The 0103 is trying to get some steering so he can try to make a hit. He's under the cow right now. He has to make competitive contact. Red flag is out. Red flag is out. The winner of the school bus derby is the number 03.